So today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this sign. Wait, I'm just gonna make sure you can see it better. This sign say your play name. Like that. So I put it. Yeah, did I see what too? Yeah. So what you want to do? Okay, you can do that if you want. First you want to get a sign. You can put whatever you want. I just put name because like it lets me know that it's for your name. So I'm just gonna put this behind a block so you can see it better. So after you do that, you want to get a code block. I'm gonna look at this code block because like sometimes I forget the code. So yeah, you can do start active is shared. I don't recommend doing that, or just after player. I just don't know. You can do whatever works for you, or just like so. You want to do start active if you want. I'm just gonna do it for the tutorial. And then edit connections, you want to add your sign and click add player. And then player, I'm pretty sure you do want to do, hold up, let me check. Yeah, and sign, you want to just do everything beside other. And player, you want a select index, select ID, control, name, local ID. Right. So in the connections, name is the sign. If you want, you'll do side right, side select, side control, players, select index, select ID, control, name, and local ID. So after that, you want to do player select index to player local ID. Alright, so set player select index to local ID, and if it's red, just like go back in and fix. And you do another set, and I'm pretty sure it's players. It's player select ID. Wait. Now sign control to constant 0. So you want sign control. So now you want sign control to source constant. Hold on, mess up. You want sign control to constant 0. So basically, just leave it at that. And after that, you want to do label. Name anything you want. Also, I did get this code to official Nico, so shout out to him. I give credit to him. Do a label. Just name it whatever you want. Just name it to what I saw off of his tutorial. After you do that, I'm gonna do sign right, sign right to player name. So you're gonna do set sign right to source player name. I'm pretty sure sign control to constant 2. I might be wrong, but yeah, constant 2. Program, and then you want to do an equal equal R0 equal A player name constant 0. Alright. So the program equal R0. Wait. What? I clicked equal. Alright, hold on. Okay. Equal. We're gonna do R0 player name constant 0. Alright, now you want to do if R0 and then label done, but then the label will do that. So just do if sleep go to label done. So you want to do if sleep go to label. Oh dang, put it there, what the heck. Right. So after you do that, you wanna, after you do that, you wanna do if sleep go to label done, and then name the label done. So click that. If sleep go to label and name the label to done, and make this go to that label next character, and then we want to do if R0 label done. So if R0 label done, constant 0 milliseconds. So you got that, and that should be it. Now go on start active, and it says your name. All right.